Oh, wait a minute. There it is. So yeah, it's pretty much painted up. Y'all can see that there. That bottom piece not painted up because it's change. Well, you know, I told y'all I was gonna change the way I was gonna mount it one time. Then I changed it again to what's outside of my truck now. Well, it ain't on there, finna be, but I changed my mind again. 2 times I changed my mind. So just letting y'all know. All right, well, I'm out here. I don't have a cutting wheel on hand. I don't got time to go and get stuff. I got a grinder, and I gotta cut these little metals pieces. Shut up for my for my for my roof rack. I'm trying to get it done for the day end. I'm with Gabe, and I'm finna
no part of it.
I'm finna just bam. Excuse my lack of equipment.
Dummy.
Look at that. That mug cut. That mug cut.
Just do it on top. It really ain't cut. Turn your flash.
So pretty much this is what I'm doing now. Just gonna have those like that. Get some more iron. Run it back here. Run it back to here. Down. And I'm gonna just bolt it onto the side. Like right here. Guess I'll show y'all what it's like when it's done. Oh yeah, I'm a welder. So we're having problems with the welder. I think it's something stuck in the lines that's causing it to stop. Cause I done fed it in new wire about 3 times, and it'll roll till it get up here. So we trying to figure out what's going on. So probably would have been done by now, but I'm waiting on this here. Well. Out of Home Depot with some of the last of the stuff that I need to finish this here up today. Get a little piece of steel right there. Wait, watch out. Bam. That little piece of steel right there, and I got some little odds and ends over yonder. Got everything I need to finish this here up today, so. Alright, so now I got everything cut out and tacked up, and finna take it down, weld it out, and put it back up, and I'll be done. But you gotta imagine, it's just me out here, and that mess is heavy. No. Well, other than that, the only thing left, I'm gonna just put a little something right here, bolt it, weld the bolt, go for a ride, I guess. Look at me with them safety glass on. I guess I learned from the last time. Alright, well, it's the end of the day, and it's on my truck. That's exactly what I was talking about. 5/8 bolt, washer right here. I got a washer up under there. I'm gonna put a weld around the bolt. Same thing over there. I just so happened to just nick my finger real hard, and I stopped to put a band-aid on it, so figured I'd get some film too. But it's official. Only thing I'm missing, I only got 4 washers, and I put 2 on each one, so I gotta go back and get some more washers. But other than that, my roof rack is done. I just gotta paint them little pieces too. But other than that, my roof rack is done. It's done. So here it is. Done. Roof rack build. Done. Next. Yeah. So, oh yeah, don't let me go without mentioning CJ was here and was looking out for me. And we took the time to sand off my roof and spray it with bed liner so it wouldn't be scratching up and stuff. But with that being said, I don't want to end the video without saying real big shout out to CJ and let me come through and work at his shop, getting this work done, welding and stuff like that. So again, big shout out and thank you to CJ, and I really appreciate that. We done.